OpenTable login, how to download and sign in to OpenTable app. If you wish to download or sign in on the OpenTable app, it's rather quite simple to do so. Open the OpenTable app. First of all, if you have not downloaded, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for OpenTable and make sure to download it. Once you download it, open the app and to sign in, tap on the profile icon from the top right. It'll ask us to enter our phone number, right? So go ahead and then make sure to enter your phone number as well. You can also use an email address instead, but you can tap on continue and it will send a verification code to the mobile number. Once done, you can tap on continue right here. So let me just go ahead and then copy the code, paste it, then tap on continue. Then here you can simply go ahead and then enter your details to log in or to create your new account. Either way, this way you'll be able to download and sign into OpenTable. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.